One thing that I have found when I teach workshops is that some students have difficult time tapping on center. And this is one skill that I think is a really great skill to have. And the reason is that there are great centering tools out there, but sometimes there are some objects that are really difficult to center that are thrown on the wheel. So for example, sometimes I make very linear trays, and there's not a tool out there that can help me center that. But I physically, with my body and my eyes, I can center that. So tapping on center is one way to get around that. But the difficulty as a student is you're trying to often learn with your pots, and you're so afraid that the pot's going to go flying off the wheel that you have this fear and you don't learn quickly. So I've tried to develop something where the student can learn quickly, and that is take an old can. This is a very special can. No, just kidding. This is just a regular old can, and it's probably a little out of round by now. It's been used for quite a few years. But what I do is I put clay in the can and kind of smash it down a little bit so it feels like the weight of a pot. So it's real, it's not too light. The nice thing about using a can is that it slides pretty easily across a bat head or the wheel head. So what I like to do is, there's a couple different ways of tapping on center. What I like to do is tap on center when the pot is rotating into me, into my hand. And I have found that if you try to figure out when to tap it, you're probably going to tap it in the wrong place. So you just have to let your body learn. Your body learns this. So I get the wheel going. It's obviously off center, and I tap, 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 and that's centered. Off center, tap. There we go, that's centered. Let's get her off a little farther. Off center. So my recommendation is that just for 3 to 5 minutes every time before you start trimming, just practice it. And in a couple of months, it's amazing how fast this comes when you don't have the fear of having your pot fly off. If this can flies off the wheel head, it's no big deal.